Oh yes! Woohoo! So Hunter, how has your day been today?
Apart from the company, it's been fantastic.
What's wrong with it?
You don't see every day. Whoa! And it's dry. How deep do you have to go? Now what? Go ahead. Pick a line.
Go.
Yeah. Somewhere down here is the trail.
Failed. Like me. So we both bailed on this bridge.
Carefully, slowly. Good. Good. He learned the hard way that those things can be slippery a couple years back. Ask him about his broken shoulder.
This is such a beautiful place. Look at all these Inselbergs everywhere. Absolutely stunning.
This has just been unexpectedly beautiful and very cool. There's rock formations everywhere.
Hello! Hello!
It's a bit thorny, but good riding. Yeah, that's good. That's really nice. How many are you gonna go for?
I think I'll sort of 10. I could do about 100.
Yeah?
But, you know.
You think 100's maybe inappropriate for...
Well, normally I did 100 this morning. So
Yeah.
I normally don't like to exceed 110.
I understand that. Yeah. So there's your 10.
So that's 110
Okay,
now.
cool.
That's why I stopped.
All right, good. Lake Eyasi push-ups.
So this is the beautiful Lake Eyasi. I never heard of it before, but we've just gone about 70 k's up it. It's a very long lake. And there's the motorbikes. They've performed very well today. So yeah, all in. Hunter's made another poor decision.
One of a long list.
Here he comes.
Yeah. We won't
What a
be
man.
riding through there, I think.
Yep. Is that the decision?
That's the decision. We don't ride through there.
Nope.
No.
Mm.
I believe it's bottomless.
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right, this morning we're gonna try to get that seal out of there. Ryan's already got the wheel off. We're gonna get in there and bang it out.
What's been on here?
Right, you screwed up your countershaft seal, and we have sorted it. We got a countershaft seal sent from a friend from Arusha last night on a matatu, and it's here, which is brilliant. Thanks, Jan. And we are going to install it here. Lots of friends told us how to do it, and I just did it, and it worked. It was in there looking really dodgy.
Yep.
I got a self-tapping screw that I stole from the house, from the lodge. I took it out of the door frame.
Oh yes, very academic.
And I hammered it into this and screwed it in. Got a hold of it with your Leatherman, gave it a pull, and out she came. Right. Got my screw in there. Now we gotta hope we can pop it out. Recreation for dramatic effect. Yeah. And out she came. Yes. Now it's time to clean it all up and put the other guy in.
And there's the other guy right there. Thank you, Jan in Arusha.
A bit fishy. Every time we want to do something, Joey Evans is out there having a nice time, who knows what country, riding with who knows what guys, and he's thinking, somewhere, the Honda guys are having a blast. And he just goes, "Tweet," like with the ponytail, and then here we are, fixing punctures in the dustiest place on earth. I'll get you, Joey Evans. I'll get you. One of these days.
Just helping him out.